Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kristen Greek, and I'm the Sales and Marketing Coordinator at VAI. I would like to welcome everyone to our VAI Partner Webinar today. Discover why companies large and small are moving to VAI ERP. One of the advantages of ERP software is the array of options available. It is not essential for organizations to invest in large-scale ERP systems like SAP, Oracle, or Microsoft Dynamics 365, which might be too expensive, inflexible, and present significant risks. Instead, there are ERP software solutions like VAI ERP that are industry-specific and can offer tremendous benefits to mid-market growth companies with advanced cloud security, integrated advanced applications, personalized support, and the flexibility to tailor the software to fit the unique needs of an organization. Recommending VAI ERP may just be the perfect option for your clients. So let's go ahead and dive in. Leading us today is VAI's Executive Vice President, Joe Ciacia. At the end of the webinar, we will open the floor for any questions you may have. In addition, I will provide my contact information if you'd like to connect with a VAI representative directly. Also, for more information regarding upcoming events, you can visit our website at www.vai.net/events. And with that, please join me in welcoming Joe Ciacia.
Thank you, Kristen, and welcome everyone to today's webinar. It's nice to see some of our current partners and also some new partners online here. And as Kristen mentioned, what we're going to do today is just cover the ERP solution suite, tell you a little bit about our software, our company, who our clients are, and really update you on the advantages that VAI offers in the marketplace for mid-sized companies who are in wholesale distribution, manufacturing, specialty retail, rental, and service industries. The other thing we'll do at the end is just cover the brand new interface that we have. VAI rolled out a brand new interface to our ERP solution that consolidates our ERP solution, analytics, and portal products into a single pane of glass for truly a dynamic ERP solution. And we're really excited to show you that today. Okay, for some of you who may not know who we are, VAI has been in the business for over 40 years. We are a privately owned company headquartered in New York. We have offices around the country, one in Orlando, one in Miami, and one in Chicago. And we also have a reseller channel that branches throughout the United States, Canada, and the Caribbean, who helps us go after a lot of our customers in the mid-market space. Currently, we have over 200 employees, and we are also a cloud service provider, and we run our own data center where our customers can now choose to run our ERP software either on-premise or in the cloud. We also offer a wealth of services, including cybersecurity expertise to help our customers in their IT infrastructure. We are also the author of S2K Enterprise. And really what S2K Enterprise is, it's three separate ERP solutions. There's S2K Enterprise, which is our durable and non-durable goods solution. There's S2K Enterprise for Food, which is our food and beverage specific solution. It's also used for companies in the candy and tobacco space as well. And then there's S2K Enterprise for Pharma, which is our pharmaceutical specific solution that's used for pharmaceutical distributors. And those are our three separate offerings. And what's nice about the VAI platform is that when you engage with a customer, you can really give them a very tailored solution that is designed for their industry. So here is a listing of the VAI ERP suite and all the dynamic applications we offer. So everything from financial management, distribution management, manufacturing, warehouse. We have our own Salesforce and CRM application, business intelligence, email marketing, retail counter sales, equipment rental, service and repair, e-business and web portals, and a host of mobile apps. These are all solutions that are written by VAI and supported by VAI. And that's a really important factor when you are researching ERP solutions for your clients. A lot of systems today are put together with disparate applications from different vendors, and they put it together with the connections and APIs to really integrate the systems. But that has some benefits, but it really leads to complexity, and it really is not the ideal environment for your core enterprise solution. So all of these solutions are authored by VAI and supported by VAI. Okay, so how can the VAI system help a company thrive? Let's take a look at a few of the different things that we offer that really help customers today thrive in their marketplace. Okay, first off, VAI gives our customers many, many different ways that they can process orders. So whether it's a mobile app that can be branded with their logo and given to their sales team or to their customers, or back office order entry, retail point of sale, e-commerce, or even extensive EDI capabilities that allow you to work with trading partners directly into our ERP system. Really, we create a very dynamic environment where customers can, delight their accounts by giving them many, many different options for order processing. On our food side, we also offer some advanced features in order entry, things like catch weight pricing, order guides, shopping lists, rebates, allowances that are very, very popular in the food space. On the picking and shipping side, our system offers a lot of different things, and I'm going to concentrate here on the food side because this is a very powerful solution for food distributors, where we offer things like order and route management that allows you to look at vehicle capacities and route optimizations to get your trucks on the road. We have a standard interface to OmniTrax for the routing of the trucks. We have a built-in truck and pallet builder, which dynamically builds pallets to help you speed up the picking and truck loading process. Our users can use both mobile apps or voice picking for actually doing the picking. And then for delivery, we have a mobile POD option, which replaces the paper process of capturing signatures with an electronic process where you can capture signatures, capture photographs, and even record payments that go back to our accounting system to reconcile, cash and checks that might have been collected out in the field. So really a lot of different options. And if you're in the hard goods side, a lot of these options still exist. We have order management on the hard goods side, still the OmniTrax integration, mobile picking, voice picking, POD. A lot of this also works very well for our hard goods and pharmaceutical as well. But these capabilities really stand out when you're dealing with a food company. Okay. Really, one of the things that we've seen that sets VAI apart is our development in the mobile warehouse arena. And basically, what's nice about mobile warehousing is that it has given companies both large and small the capability to modernize their warehouse, because the mobile devices replace expensive RF technology with very inexpensive mobile devices. And we have customers that even use mobile phones with built-in rugged sleds around them to do warehouse processing. And it's really designed to make transaction processing in your warehouse easier to use and more efficient. Most users today know how to use a mobile device, so they can get up to speed on mobile warehouse very, very quickly. The screens are clear, concise, they're easy to read, and it's really great for both a big warehouse, and it's also perfect for small stockroom management. Okay, and as I mentioned, here's one of our customers simply doing warehouse management with the use of a mobile phone and a sled for scanning. Okay, and our customers have really seen the mobile WMS as a game changer. Right, they really got incredible efficiencies out of processing orders. They've cut down on errors. They've reduced their mispicks with the mobile device. It's really a great system for businesses who are trying to do something in the warehouse, but it really has been cost prohibitive in the past. The mobile warehouse has really been an excellent solution for our customers and given them a tremendous ROI. Okay, on the food side, to expand on some of the inventory management requirements, we've added things like date and lot tracking that helps food businesses organize inventory by production and expiration date. They can track ingredients that are just used in manufacturing or raw materials that are used and sold directly out to their customers. They really get the benefits of complete tracking and recall management so they can protect their business against a recall. And this really helps them meeting with any FDA regulations. A lot of our food customers are very concerned about the FSMA requirements, and this system really helps them in meeting those requirements. Also, to automate purchasing, our system has a complete supply and demand planning tool. And again, that tool is available across all of our ERP solutions, and it's really a great tool that analyzes past usage and trends and uses advanced formulas to make purchasing recommendations. And it's a lot of great benefits that businesses get by using that, where they can, lower inventory levels, yet increase fill rates and customer satisfaction. The ERP system that we offer also has a full manufacturing capability, and we do use the MRP application to help our manufacturers determine when materials are required and help them in managing delivery of those materials for production. Okay. On the financial management side, really we offer a host of different things, but our financial management system is really geared for the supply chain, right? So some of the things that we do unique are things like rebates, promos, billbacks. We track every interaction, whether it's a customer promotion or a vendor promo, and we can base those trackings on sales or purchase history. We even have a off invoice allowance that doesn't accrue and comes directly off of an invoice or a vendor's purchase order. And we track that stuff, and it obviously, can really help our customers in distribution improve their bottom line. If they're tracking these funds that they're getting back from their vendors, it can really make a difference in their profitability. We offer a dynamic financial statement generator that allows businesses to create income statements, balance sheets, cash flow projections. Another thing that's really helped a lot of our customers is our integrated credit card options, right? So whether you need credit card for a retail transaction or an e-business transaction or even a wholesale transaction, we allow a lot of options for our customers to pay their bills online. So we have a customer self-service feature that allows customers to sign on to a website, review invoice details, get copies of bills, and pay those bills and have those bills automatically get updated into accounts receivable. Okay. And if you're dealing with a pharmaceutical customer, one of the most important things is pharmaceutical compliance. There is this DSCSA for serialization that is now a requirement for pharmaceutical companies, and the S2K for pharma application handles all of the compliance issues for DEA licensing, compliance management, REMS, ARCOS reporting. We handle all of that in our pharmaceutical application. And here is just a list of some of the customers that are using S2K. And one of the nice things about our system is that it covers a wide range of industries. So as you can see here, we have everybody from building materials to sporting equipment to office supplies to paper and Jansan, a lot of food customers using our food system, healthcare products, tools, and equipment. So there's a lot of different things that we do and offer. The common thread is that all of these customers are in the mid-market space, and a lot of them are dynamic growth companies where they're experiencing a lot of growth, and the VAI solution becomes a real nice alternative to some of the ERP vendors that are out there. Okay. One of the great things as a partner that we try to have our partners do is access the customer success videos that we have on our website. So I wanted to just bring this up because if you're a current partner or thinking about being a partner, one of the best ways to excite a prospect is to have them go to the VAI website and take a look at some of our showcase videos, which shows actual customers using the VAI software. And there's no better salesperson than an actual customer in telling your prospects how well the system is performing and some of the benefits they're getting out of it. So this is a great piece of our website. It's called the VAI Video Showcases, where we post a lot of customer success stories here, where you can, pass these links along to your potential clients, and they can see the VAI system in action and hear from real VAI customers. Okay, and this is just some of the customers that you'll see on that site. This is Lepco Lawn Equipment. You can see they're using the mobile app in their warehouse. They're using the e-commerce piece for selling online. They're using a lot of different things with the VAI system. Concordance Health is using the mobile app. They have integrated VAI with voice picking. They use our web portal as well for customer self-service. Acme Tools uses our retail counter module for taking both walk-in customers as well as contractors that may come in and have accounts with them. They use a lot of the suggested purchasing and different tools that are in to optimize the inventory levels at their individual stores. Okay, and those are just some of the great videos that we have that can really help you excite customers for looking at the VAI solution. Okay. When businesses ask you what makes VAI different, why would I go with VAI over a NetSuite or an Infor or an Epicor or a Microsoft Dynamics? Here's some of the things that really set us apart from a lot of those solutions that are out there. First and foremost, VAI sells business solutions, not necessarily just software, right? We're not in the business to just sell canned pieces of software out there that get people online and using the software as they would a QuickBooks or a Sage or something like that. We really dive into the business requirements with our customers, and we can personalize our software to meet their business needs. Okay. Also, we give our customers personalized support. VAI gives direct support from us, the author of the software, which is a very high level of expertise that our customers get with our ERP solution. A lot of our applications are built directly for the supply chain, and you'll see that coming up in a few minutes about some of the things we offer that are built for supply chain. We offer a lot of different applications that are all written and authored by us, so it reduces complexity with other solutions. We have APIs, so if there are customers worried about hooking to third-party solutions, VAI has APIs that can allow our customers to interface to things like Magento or Shopify or Salesforce.com. So if a customer has third-party products that they like, we can use our API library to integrate with that. And we are also our own cloud provider, and we'll talk in a minute about some of the benefits of the VAI cloud. So like I said before, it's really our business solutions, not software, that can set us apart from a lot of the competitors that are out there. We have the ability to tailor the software to match any customer specific requirements. And really that sometimes is the competitive edge for that business. So we've created unique custom mobile apps, unique websites. We have integrated unique pricing and commission logic into our system, and really just helping our customers grow their business. We've had a lot of customers also grow through acquisitions and mergers, and we have helped them integrate other ERP systems and consolidate those systems into the VAI ERP solution. So we work very, very closely with our customers, and it's really kind of what sets us apart from a lot of the canned vendors that are out there selling ERP today. Okay, and our pitch on that is that one size does not fit all. If you're running QuickBooks or a low-end solution, obviously that can work for a lot of businesses, but as businesses grow, as they take on new product lines, as they maybe acquire other companies, needs can change. And it's really the ability that we have to be flexible and to make those adjustments that really help our customers stay competitive and grow their business. Okay, as we mentioned earlier, really the support level from VAI is very, very high level. We have expertise not only in our software, but they really have an expertise in the industries that we support. So we have companies that are very good with durable goods companies, manufacturers, food experts that work with food companies, pharmaceutical experts that work with pharmaceutical companies, and we can really help businesses understand, best practices and do consulting to help them get the most out of their technology investments. Okay. The other thing that's nice about our application suite is that we offer a lot of different applications, but they're built for the supply chain. So a lot of times customers will ask me, well, why would I use the VAI CRM? Why shouldn't I use a Salesforce.com or a HubSpot? Well, the VAI CRM was built for supply chain representatives. And the difference there is that we give those users the ability to access the ERP data. So a sales rep in the supply chain may want to know information on pricing of an item, or the stock status of an item, or the status of an order, or they may want to enter in a quote. So there's a lot of different things that they can do in the CRM system that is built into S2K that they may not get from other solutions. And that whole supply chain built philosophy carries throughout all of the different applications that we offer. Okay. And then we offer some advanced solutions, right? So if customers want to kind of take their business to the next level and start doing things with mobile or email marketing, or even things like e-commerce or web portals, we offer solutions for that so that our customers don't necessarily have to integrate expensive third-party solutions. They can get that solution from VAI. And we like to tell our clients that you should always take a look at the VAI solution first to see if that meets your requirements, because that's going to be your less expensive way to go. It's going to reduce complexity and really ensure compatibility with the ERP solution. And if it doesn't match, then of course you can leverage our API library and connect with other solutions. So VAI has an extensive API library that allows you to take advantage of programs to interface with third-party applications. And this is just some of the different third-party applications that we have interfaced to, and there's a host more that are out there that we've interfaced to on a custom basis. Okay, and this is just an example of some of the API coding that we offer, where you can pull data out of our system or have it interface back into our system through our API library. Okay. One of the other things you see in distribution a lot is the need for EDI. And VAI offers a lot of different EDI options. We offer EDI as a service through partners like Infocon, and we also offer EDI within Clio's integration cloud. And really, that's what I'm going to concentrate on here today. Is a lot of our customers use Clio Integration Cloud to quickly bring on trading partners and automate the entire process for any EDI, AS2, or even API type file sharing that they do. And just want to give you a peek at what that looks like. This is one of our food customers, and this is their partner dashboard where they monitor all the EDI that's coming in from their different trading partners. They can look at it by partner here. They can also look at it by document type, so they can see what documents are coming in, 850 purchase orders. They can see what's going outbound for 856 advanced ship notices. And they really have a full, deep understanding of all of their EDI needs. And it's a real powerful part of the VAI ERP system. Lastly, what I want to talk about is the cloud, right? So there are a lot of solutions out there that are selling cloud ERP. All right. So obviously the big one out there and the longest running cloud ERP is the NetSuite cloud ERP solution. They've been doing cloud for a while, and they offer their software as a service, right? So it's called SaaS, software as a service. And VAI really kind of has a little bit of a unique approach to the cloud, right? So first and foremost, VAI's cloud is our own data center. Right, so VAI has built out actually multiple data centers that can host our customers. And with every deployment, our customers are put into a virtual private cloud. And it's a single tenant environment. And that's really important for our customers when it comes to security and for access to their systems and their own data. We have seen in the marketplace when some of our customers get in these multi-tenant environments with some of our competitors that they're really very inflexible. They can't really do personalizations. Even though they get updates, sometimes if they did personalizations, those updates get clobbered by the new enhancements, and it becomes a very, very difficult environment to manage. Whereas the VAI solution is you get your own virtual private cloud. We also give you full high availability and disaster recovery, which is on a lot of people's minds because of the ransomware attacks that are out there, right? So VAI has security experts that are available to assist our customers, and people really like that. It's a one-stop shop, right? They can come to VAI, they can get their ERP system, and they can also get their infrastructure they need in the cloud to run their business. So it's one phone call should anything happen. Okay, and as I mentioned earlier, the VAI ERP solution comes with full HA and DR. So we have a fully redundant second location where our data is replicated to, and we also use data vaulting to make sure that we take the data offsite into data vaults so we can keep our customers up and running. Okay, and there's a great video on the VAI website that talks about all the successes that our customers have in the VAI cloud. Okay, and here's just a few things that our customers have to say. Really, one of the great things that we like to tout is the VAI cloud has never been down. We've had our cloud solution running for over 10 years, and we have not had any downtime in our cloud data center. Okay. One of the other things that really is a big benefit to our customers is the total cost of ownership. So one of the nice things that VAI offers larger companies is our unlimited user license. Okay. And basically what that is when a customer gets to over 100 users, we can flip our user license into what we call an unlimited user license. And that allows organizations to expand and acquire other companies or add locations or add users or add more mobile users in their warehouse without having to pay additional software licensing fees and the related maintenance fees. Okay, so we really are a great solution for dynamic growth companies because the cost of ownership of the VAI system can save hundreds of thousands, in some cases millions of dollars for our customer bases. One of the things you'll see is that a lot of our customers have doubled and tripled in size, and they haven't had to pay additional software licensing fees. And when you're comparing that to the traditional SaaS model that's out there, you can see that all of that growth would really raise their current SaaS fees from our competitors, right? So a lot of SaaS companies raise their fees based on users or additional locations or companies or even additional features or functions you add. And some of them even increase their fees based on your revenue or transaction volume. So as you grow, so does your ERP cost, whereas the VAI costs can remain constant for you with our unlimited user license. Okay, and this is just a nice slide that we kind of point out to prospects who are considering some of the cloud competitors out there and how that compares to VAI. So a lot of the things that we say when we talk about companies considering other solutions is that the VAI solution is not just a financial management system with distribution and manufacturing capabilities. We are really a supply chain solution that has financial capabilities. So we really focus on distributors and manufacturers, and we have a lot of the advanced capabilities built into our solution that our cloud competitors really have to add additional software to match. Okay, so when you compare apples to apples, the VAI solution can offer tremendous benefits for companies in the supply chain industry. Okay, and these are just some of the quotes that we like to throw out there, and all these quotes are on our website. And again, a lot of these quotes are taken from those success videos. So that's a lot of what our customers are experiencing. You can see just tremendous growth, 50 million to 500 million, 2 billion to 13 billion. Companies that have acquired 7 different companies are now up to 550 million. So we really, get involved very heavily with tremendous growth companies that are experiencing really a lot of growth through acquisition and mergers. Okay, so as I promised, and I know we're close to being up on time, just want to show you the new interface that we offer that consolidates our ERP, analytics, and portal solution. So a quick walkthrough to the ERP system if you haven't seen it. So our software is browser-based, so you sign on through a browser. Whether you're running it locally on-premise or you're running it in the cloud, you would sign on through a browser. So Mac users can use Safari, your desktop users can use Chrome or any of the web browsers that they may want. Okay, when they sign on, you can see this is our portal page. This is our home page where a lot of users come to, and this can be completely customized for each user based on their role in the company. And this gives them a lot of quick KPIs on what's going on in their business. And you can see the user interface is very, very nice for a lot of our different applications. Okay, here is our new consolidated menu. When you click on the left-hand margin, you'll see it's a drop-down menu and a cascading across menu that allows users to get into all of our different applications. So this is just an example of the accounts receivable menu, and users can, custom tailor that. They can pin certain options for a quick menu access or star them as part of their favorites and really create dynamic menus that allows them to get to applications quickly and easily. Okay, there's also a favorites option that shows them all of their favorites across all different applications. And we even added a search option where if they type in something that they're looking for, we'll show them where that application is across all of our different modules. Okay, so really helpful tools for navigating through our ERP solution. Okay, we've also updated a lot of the screens so you can see very extensive grids are used now with different sorting capabilities. The customer inquiry screen has been expanded and enhanced to be much more web friendly. So you can see a lot of the things that we offer are things like hyperlinks and drill downs and just a lot more data on each individual screen. We have a folder system that allows users to attach documents and files. So this is really, really helpful for a lot of our customers. Embedded sales information, embedded analytics, right, which is a real nice option now where customers can embed analytic reports right inside our ERP system. So if they want to see something specific about a customer or specific about an item, they can embed those reports directly into the screen and we can display them for their users. So a really nice, flexible alternative to just running straight reports. Okay. All right, drill throughs, everything you'd expect. You kind of see the whole new system integration that we offer, PDF access for reprinting orders or invoices. Just a great overall look and feel to the new interface that we offer through our S2K portal application. Okay, so this is just some of the screens I wanted to take you through here today.
Okay, I think that's going to conclude our webinar for today. Thank you so much, Joe. This was so educational and very helpful.